welcome back everybody to my YouTube channel and another new video to share with you all. Today we're going to continue on with some pretty basic drawing, and we have here our cup. The more recent video we worked on a small container. Today we're going to work on doing or drawing lines where we see here our cup. So let's begin. I have my, see if we can get in the focus here, my 2B drawing pencil or graphite pencil. And just for starters here, okay, we sketch these lines in for our drawing. And then in the end, when we have our sort of foundation of our drawing, or the lines of our drawing, then we want to go ahead and kind of darken in those lines and kind of clean up everything else to make it all nice and pretty. So if I'm drawing this cup here, I'm going to start off with the outline, okay, of my cup. So I got the bottom here, focus here a little bit here. So I got the bottom of my cup, and these lines that are going sort of up or more vertical are kind of at a bit of a slant. So again, I'm sketching these lines in, and I've got a bit of a slant, okay, going with these lines. And then at the very top, I've got my kind of like half circle here. So if I'm looking at it from a straight view, it's more so of a kind of half circle. So for my drawing, here we go. And if I wanted to make this look more like, you know, the inside of this actual cup from a frontal view, I'm going to kind of come here at the very top and complete another half type circle. So again, this is pretty much the basic foundation of my cup. And then I've got my holder here, and again, I try to look at my, in some sense, I look at certain elements of my drawing as letters. And this here, this holder here, kind of gives me a visual of a letter C. So I come in here, my drawing, and I'm just visually eyeballing this. And it's very close to pretty much the top of my cup as far as placement. And it kind of swings out, and then it swings down, like so. And inward. And then for the inside line, the inside curve line here, all right? Again, sketch it in. Sketch it rather lightly. And as you can see here, this is rather wide at the very top here and also at the very bottom. And then here, where it's more curved, it's rather thin. So I want to implement this kind of figure also into my drawing or shape. And then I can go in here, I've got my generalized shape here of my cup overall drawn in, and I can go in here now and just kind of start to clean things up. darken in my lines. And remember, neatness counts. So that pretty much kind of summarizes an overall outline of doing a sketch, pretty much kind of clean up still in a drawing, and then I'm going to just kind of come in here, remove all the unnecessary sketch lines that I have in here. Lines that I don't really need anymore. Excuse me on the burp. And voila. So remember, just kind of take your time, draw the lines that you see overall, the outline. Look at them as basic shapes, and sometimes, again, here where my holder is, I look at them as, try to place them as sometimes letters in the alphabet, if that makes it any easier for you all. And clean it up and make it nice and pretty. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed this short video, or this video of this drawing here of the cup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you are notified of any new drawings or videos that I do post. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.